Back to the channel. Glad to have you here in today's exclusive video. I'm going to be continuing with you on the trivia niches, Amazon KDP keywords that are profitable, low competition, high demand. We're going to dive in further to talk about two other wonderful trivia niches that are low competition. Now then again, you can access part 1 and part 2 in the description box below, as well as pinned in the comment section below. You can find the whole series, and as soon as I'm finished with that series, I'm going to summarize that into a condensed video and let you know as well. So before we get started, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. So if something that interests you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. That being said, let's head straight to the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is a beautiful long tail keyword, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now, this has amazing profitability capability, and I would like you to take advantage of this keyword, and I'm quite happy to share that with you today. Now, today's keyword is football trivia book for kids aged 12. Wonderful keyword. It has everything that we need to get started. It has confirmation by the two main major Chrome extensions that we're using in today's video. First of all, a strong solid keyword niche score of number 91 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. Also a keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. So both of the Chrome extensions are confirming the keywords profitability metrics and the keywords strength as well. Also, the total results are 643, so they're sitting below 1,000. Beautiful. The average bestseller rank is 63,980, which is below the 300,000 that we're expecting and that we accept here on the channel. Average reviews are 380. Average price is $11.10. What are we creating? We're creating a trivia book. What is it, the trivia book about? It's about football. Who is it for? It's for kids. What are the age group of these kids? 8 to 12 years old. That's it. Preferably create this book in 8.5 times 11 inches would be best. Also, if you currently have any sort of sports trivia book that is aimed for children, for kids, in your Amazon KDP portfolio, go ahead and update this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots to get your book ranking for this wonderful keyword right here. Now, I'm going to quickly scroll down and have a look at some of the beautiful books that have beautiful low bestseller ranks. This one, for example, bestseller rank of 6,332, and they've also utilized this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. It's not showing in the title, it's not showing in the subtitle, and it is ranking on the first page. So they've used it for the 7 keyword slots as well. There are no ads running, so no way to mess up or kind of screw up the algorithm in a way, so that is also good to see as well. This one here is basically an active football activity book, which gives a combination of crosswords, word searches, puzzles, fun facts, trivia as well. Yet they've used it in 7 keyword slots, and it is ranking under this keyword, no ads running, and with a bestseller rank of 29,530, and it's making approximately 240 sales per day or per month. My apologies, this is on a monthly basis, coming down to 8 sales per day. So that is just an approximate. Now you can get that banner right here at the bottom of each of these books at the kdpextension.com. Go ahead and download it to get an overview of the books as well, just by scrolling down. So that being said, that is a wonderful keyword right over here. So let's head over to the second and final keyword for today's video, and our second keyword is trivia book for kids 5 to 8. Yet again, beautiful keyword right here, trivia book for kids 5 to 8. Highly advise you use this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots if you currently have any sort of game book for children that are between the ages of 5 to 8 as well. So if it has anything to do with any sort of kids themes, introduce and include this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots. Now let's break down the results. First of all, we have a stunning keyword niche score of 54 by Titans and a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this beautiful keyword as a nice niche. So they both complement each other in terms of the keyword strength. The total results are at 4,832, and yes, I do hear you, it is slightly higher than what we expect. This is why you should utilize this wonderful keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots or as part of your subtitle. Don't include this keyword as part of your title because of the high results. Also, the average bestseller rank is within that 400,000 mark, so it is quite acceptable. It's at 446,564. Of course, the lower the better, and you could be able to niche down and cut through that bestseller rank and cut through that total results if you really want to. And the best way to do it is to choose a theme for your trivia book for kids 5 to 8. So what are the things that children 5 to 8 are a big fan of? Maybe sports, we've got dinosaurs, we've got adventures, we've got supercars. Of course, it depends if you're targeting boys or girls in this case as well. So that's also one way you could be able to niche down and get the total results and the bestseller rank to go down as much as possible and target these super targeted sub-niched audience. Also, the reviews are a whooping 2,308 as the average reviews, and the price is sitting at $9.80, preferably 8.5 times 11 inches is best. I would personally use this as part of the 7 keyword slots, and it falls beautifully as well. And many of the books have adopted that exact same strategy that I'm talking about in today's video. So there you go, 2 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the trivia niche. This is as a part of the series, and this is currently part 3. The first one was football trivia book for kids 8 to 12 with a beautiful, stunning, impressive keyword niche score of 91 and number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro. The next one was trivia book for kids 5 to 8 with a keyword niche score 54 and number 8 preferably used for the 7 keyword slots. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for everyone that has watched my videos, has commented positive comments, and your encouragement and your support is much appreciated. And every single comment does matter. Now I'm trying my absolute best to get these videos out on a daily basis, so you have some keywords to use as part of your 7 keyword slots, title, subtitle, and always keep it updated. Always keep it giving as much value as much as possible as well to help any new seller in Amazon KDP get started and make wonderful changes in their life as a result of adopting the right keywords. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.